Hey, what's up YouTube? It's still the one that GodofSoles. Today I'm gonna be cleaning up these Yeezys. I'm gonna show you how to do a deep cleaning on these. There's like a red stain right here. I'm not too sure that's gonna be able to come out, but I'm sure like all these little black stains will be able to come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do a deep clean on these, and I'm gonna be cleaning up the soles. I won't be doing any like ice or nothing like that, but you know, I will go ahead and show you how to do a deep cleaning on them. I just want to give you a quick look before I get started on them. Same thing right here. It's dirty as fuck. There's no red stains on this one, but you know, it is dirty as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on these, and you know, I'll show you that process right now. Alright, so to get these cleaned up, I'm going to be using some MGK cleaner conditioner. If you're interested in the product, you know, it will be on the website along with the GodofSoles bottle. If you'd like to purchase it separately, you know, feel free to contact me directly. For these shoes right here, I'm going to be using two different brushes, a hard brush for the soles and then a softer brush for the uppers. You know, you want to use the softer brush so it won't damage any of the materials. And you know, to get these cleaned up, all you got to do is just soak the brush with some water, add a little bit of shoe cleaner, and then, you know, just start scrubbing the shoe. Alright, so here's how they came out. As you can see, you know, the stain is gone. The soles are clean as fuck. And you know, I just used the MGK cleaner conditioner on these. I used a hard brush for the soles and then a soft brush for the uppers. And so, you know, I cleaned them up pretty good. If you'd like to purchase a bottle, the link will be down below in the description, as well as a discount code for y'all. You can use that discount code, you know, on pretty much everything on the website. And I also have the spring shoe trees on there as well, so if you're interested, you can check that out too. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And I think that's pretty much it. Just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.